Jordan Bergeron with ULMWarhawks.com. We're joined alongside freshman pitcher Katie Kaminsky. Katie, you just picked up a win in a 6-4 victory, Game 2 of the Maroon and Gold World Series. You guys pulled it out in 2. You pitched last night as well. Can you talk about a little bit about what made you so successful tonight and what got you out of the jams?
I just went in hoping to get as many ground balls as possible out of their team, which I produced ground balls. They hit a few, but it wasn't too bad. Other than that, my defense worked good behind me.
Can you talk about Amy? How did it feel having a senior back there behind the plate commanding your pitches?
I liked it. She really knew what she was doing. I mean, I had other people calling pitches, but other than that, she did a great job.
Now, there were 12 left on base for gold tonight. You had another freshman pitching alongside of you and Casey Waterman. Can you talk a little bit about Casey's outing?
She did a great job of getting out of the innings, even if we got in a tough spot. Her defense worked well behind her, and she made her ready to get out.